So today we are here with Ralf. He is going to answer a few questions about evolast FFKM for us. So hi Ralf, how are you doing today?
Hello, thank you. I'm well, thank you very much.
So let's dive right into the first question. What is evolast FFKM and why is it the game changer for extreme sealing applications?
Evolast is our own high-performance perfluorelastomer, designed for most demanding sealing applications. It combines chemical resistance, thermal stability, and elasticity like no other. What sets it apart is that it's fully developed in Europe by Angst+Pfister. We own the entire value chain, from compounding to engineering to distribution. So our customer promise to you is we guarantee the highest quality, we guarantee customization up to your request, and of course the shortest lead time in the entire industry for your own demand.
Question number 2. Which industries benefit most from evolast FFKM and why?
Good question. We are working in 4 different industries: semiconductor manufacturing, pharmaceutical and medical industry, chemical processing, and of course oil and gas. These rely on evolast FFKM. These sectors demand ultra-reliable seals that can endure aggressive medias, thermal cycling, and high-pressure environments without degradation or leakage.
Question number 3. Let's start with the chemical process industry. How does evolast FFKM perform in this area?
It's very simple. Chemical plants deal with aggressive media and high temperatures. With evolast we can reduce the downtime cycle because of high compound quality. Our customer promises high quality, short lead times, and of course experts in chemical resistance.
How does it respond to the demanding conditions of the oil and gas and energy sectors?
Yeah, oil and gas is different to other industries. In those industries, the sealing must endure high pressure, sour gas, and extreme temperature. Evolast FFKM is engineered to meet the NORSOK and other industry standards, offering long-term sealing performance in both upstream and downstream operations in oil and gas. Our ability to produce and deliver quickly gives energy companies a strategic advantage in both safety and efficiency. Please challenge us.
Why is evolast FFKM ideal for the semiconductor industry?
Semiconductor industry is quite an interesting industry. The semiconductor manufacturers are involved in plasma, in vacuum, and aggressive gases at high temperature. Evolast FFKM offers ultra-low outgassing, highest purity, and thermal stability, critical for yield and uptime. Our solution, compounded and manufactured with clean room technology in our own value chain, meet SEMI standards, helping fabs minimize downtime and the contamination risk. So semicon, evolast, your right choice.
The last question for today would be, how does Angst+Pfister ensure evolast FFKM meet the specific needs of each application?
It's a great question. Thank you very much for this. To be clear, Angst+Pfister is not just a sealing supplier. Angst+Pfister is your innovation partner. We support you in your personal demands. We support your product and we help you to engineer also new compounds. Of course, we have more than 30 different kinds of standard compounds. This fits a huge portion of demands in the market. But at the end of the day, you will be unique in your market. And we can support you with engineering, with logistics, and of course with short lead times. Besides, this ensures optimal performance and compliance with specific industries, standards like FDA, USB Class 6, EU 1935, 2004, NORSOK, ISO 23936, and so on. We are fast, we are reliable, and of course, we are your partner.
Thank you, Ralf, so much for your insights in evolast FFKM.
Thank you very much for your interest. Thank you to watch this video. Of course, we have a link at the bottom. Please click on it and you will observe much more. We stay in tune, we keep in contact, and just that you know it, we are your partner for evolast FFKM. Thank you very much.